Hi there. We are Dynamic Idea Mechanics. I am the CEO and founder, Seinan Khan, and my friend Yusuf Ray is the co-founder and marketing strategist. And the idea that we want to present to you today is closely related for the charging wires for your either Android or iPhone, or you can also it's also implemented to your headphones that you use to listen to music on a daily basis. And we all are using these wires in one way or another in our daily lives, and we rely on them on a heavily basis. But they have essentially one problem though. After some time they do break down, and when they do, it kind of results us in a temporary breakdown for us from our charging our devices. And this might affect people who are actually traveling or at home or actually just have one wire. What would a person do in this state? Well, you might ask. Well, it's simple. You can either go and buy a new one for an expensive price, or you can just buy a cheap one. In either case, they would break down again. The cheap one in a short duration of time, the expensive one maybe a year, within a year's time, I presume. But a person would ask, what if these wires could actually be repaired? Well, the current existing technology is very tedious. As you can see in this picture, there are various types available on the market, but however, all of them require a skill and tools to do so. And the tools cost more than the actual product to repair. And for one-time repair, why would a person actually want to buy all of these tools to do so? And even if you want to repair them, it's going to take you an hour for an unskilled person, or a skilled person at least 20 minutes. And this is why we want to present our idea to you today. We want to introduce a product to a market known as the twist jack. As you can see in this picture, this is a very fundamental and one-stop solution to all our problems for audio wires, charging wires, laptop chargers, any wire that you're currently using which has a pin. This plug or jack could fix it within 30 seconds or less, and that is our goal to do so. Now, so far, we have been 3D printing and improving and prototyping our jack, and we have found positive results so far. However, we lack because the funding is an issue, as well as the 3D printing machines that are printing it are not sophisticated or advanced enough to actually go into such small scale. We have been doing a lot of market analysis at this point, and we found out that a lot of people are actually in need of such product, as seen in these pictures of tutorials on YouTube. And you can see that by the number of views that a lot of people are quite interested in it. And these are some examples that I'm showing you in my video that people are looking at, and you can see these are really high numbers of people actually searching for repairs. We did a survey at the end of 2016, and we found out that 11% of the people actually have a problem of breaking their wires, either audio or charging wires, within 1 month. And which gives us the understanding that if 10% of the population in the US were breaking their wires on a monthly basis, so that means 32.14 million people in the US break their charging or headphone wires a month. And that number is 3.58 million in Canada, which gives us a really good market to enter in. So you might ask, what's our plan so far? And which is, so our key partners right now is me and my friend Yusuf Ray, and we both bring a particular skills to this project. I myself am an engineering student with good knowledge of CAD as well as designing. My friend Yusuf Ray has a diploma in marketing and is quite aware of how to advertise and promote this product. Our key activity during this product involves around our channels which we're going to distribute our product through. And primarily we're going to initially start through a crowdfunding and then move on to websites like Amazon and eBay. Our key resources right now is essentially based on crowdfunding, and we want to actually make a product that we can actually show to the people and therefore get a customer relationship going on with them. And you might ask, what kind of product are we actually going to give them? And well, we want to present them with a high and durable product that they could use and reuse even if the wire actually breaks down. We would be offering our customers with two jacks of their choosings within the budget of $4 to $8. And we presume with our initial crowdfunding that we will get a really good response. And that is also our basis for the customer relationship. You might ask me, who are my most important customers? Well, we're currently targeting two populations over here. One is going to be the hobbyists who actually like to repair stuff, and the others people who are interested in repairing or actually fixing their charging wires. And as you can see from the numbers, there's a really high demand for people actually to do so. However, the process is not that easy to do so. But with our product, we ensure that people would be able to repair and fix their wires within 30 seconds, and it would be easy to do for anyone who intends to do so, and would only require a zero to a minimum skill to do so. Our cost for this project is really low, as because it's only a small product, and it only requires initially for the prototyping, it only requires a less assets or less revenue. But once we get to the high production, that's where we will be encountering more of our difficulty, and we can generate revenue after the product has been sold. But the two essential places that we're going to be focusing on is going to be our advertisement and production line. Our current plan is being accepted to Dell Launch Program, so we can acquire funds and get mentors. Once we have these, we will go on to full-time production and development of the product, as well as working on production and marketing strategy after that's done, test through crowdfunding, and go on to selling it to Amazon and eBay, and as well as try to sell it with Walmart and Canadian Tires, which is in the future. Our currently monthly plan is during the month of May, we will be full speed product designing. We will be doing prototypes and research and checking how good the product is. In June, we'll be continuing our research and prototyping with 3D printing. However, we will start contacting the advertisement companies and work on the product and marketing strategy. In July, we will finalize our product and actually start working on selling it, start putting up videos, and start actually presenting people with advertisement. And in the month of August, we will actually launch our campaigns on websites such as Indiegogo and Kickstarters, and heavily go on advertisement on Facebook and Google. Our current advisors are Matthew from Idea Lab. He is one of the renowned inventors in Dalhousie University, and he has helped many outsiders from Dalhousie University and other students to achieve their ideas and goals, and we hope that he can help us as well. Our second advisor is Colin Dixon. He has 30 years of experience in engineering, and his advice to us was that to implement this idea in the industrial sector, and we think that we can apply this to the technical telecommunication side, and if Dell Launch could actually help us, we can finish this product up by the 1st of August, and we can actually make it marketable in August. So please help us, Dell Launch. We can use your funds and mentorship to actually finish this project up by August. Thank you.